guys, this is Animal Capture the Flag. We're gonna take their flag today and we're gonna run. Let's go sprint. And this is the attack, walk, sit, rest, roar. Like that, you will get the flag. In here, to the barn. And you have the medkit and a rock. So you can tap on the rock. Yeah. You just get it and you have the flag now. And you need to dodge the rock so the flag cannot go to their base anymore. That's just our e-bike. I just fall in that ibon. I live in Philippines. And we have 99 points and they have 89 points. You just wait so you can get the flag. Go! Go faster and do malikot so they cannot attack you with their skills, so you cannot die, and I will get revenge on them.